माई सेल्फ सोनिया सिंह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर भारती कॉलेज। आज मैं आपके सामने जो ड्रग के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ वो है हमारी एलोए मीन्स एलॉयज। एलोवेरा जो है, जिसको हम लोग एलोवेरा के नाम से जानते हैं, ये एलोवेरा जो प्लांट है इसको हम लोग एज ए ड्रग यूज़ करते हैं। आप सभी अपने घर में भी एलोवेरा को बहुत मल्टीपर्पज़ फॉर्म में इसको यूज़ करते हैं। तो आज हम लोग वही देखेंगे कि जो एलोवेरा है, हमारा जो एलोए है, उसके अंदर कौन से ऐसे एक्टिव कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिसके वजह से वो इतने वाइड हमको जो यूजेस प्रोवाइड करता है। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ये जान लेते हैं कि जो एलोए है वो एलोए का प्लांट वैसे तो आप सबके घर में, गार्डन्स में, और ये बहुत कॉमन प्लांट है जो हर जगह हमको देखने को मिलता है, और आप लोग सब इस एलोवेरा प्लांट को जानते हैं। तो हम फिर भी डिस्कस करेंगे कि एलोवेरा का प्लांट जनरली होता कैसा है। तो सबसे पहले ये जो आपको सामने स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है एज इट इज, तो ये स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा नहीं है, आप लोग देखे होंगे, लेकिन कुछ सिमिलर इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर होता है। तो एलोवेरा का जो प्लांट होता है ये एक छोटा स्मॉल प्लांट होता है जिसके अंदर केवल और केवल लीव्स प्रेजेंट होती है। ये आपको जो दिख रहा है ऊपर, ये इसका रूट पार्ट है, ये इनसाइड द रूट प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट शुड बी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द रूट, एंड द अपर पार्ट विच इज फुल कवर ऑफ अ लीफ, दैट इज upper portion of the soil, that is all the portion of that is full cover of leaves. So this all leaves are thick in size. The leaves which you show in a blackboard, that leaves, if you talk about the structure of leaves, the leaves is full thick. ये क्या होती है? Full thick. The thickness of an individual leaf is maximum. So the thickness is maximum, and if you talk about the shape of leaf, the shape of leaves, the margin of leaves is like this. This type of margin are present in over all the aloe vera leaves, like teeth, like rose petals, flower leaves. So aloe vera leaf, the margin which is present in the aloe vera and both the side, this type of spine like structures are present in the leaves. So this types of leaf structure are present in the aloe vera leaf. Now we can discuss here what is the synonym of aloe vera, or we can say that another name of aloe vera. According to their state, according to their country, their name is vary, or their name is changed. But if we listen and we can say that the drug which is discussed, the drug is aloe. So aloe synonym is aloe and kumari. They are both two synonyms of aloes. So we know that the synonym also important of aloes. So we can easily recognize that drug they say is aloe. Next we talk about the biological source. Biological source means from which source we collect a drug from their pharmacological activity. So the aloe plant, we use aloe vera leaves. So leaves is a source of drug which we used as a drug, and their botanical name is Barbadense Miller. That is known as aloe barbadense Miller. That is known as biological source, and their family is the part that we use is leaf. Leaf means the source from where we used as a drug. So in alloy we use a part of leaf as a drug. Their botanical name is alloy barbadensis Miller and their family is Liliaceae. So that we talk about the biological source. In biological source both three parameters are included, that is known as their part of leaf, second one is their botanical name, and third one is their family. Now we discuss about the next point, that is known as geographical source. Geographical source means from where we get a alloy. The place from where we collect the alloy, that is known as aloe vera. That is known as the geographical source. So in geographical source from where aloe vera we collected, the places is Eastern and Southern Africa, Europe and India. These all are places from where we collect the alloy. Next we talk about morphological character. Morphological character means the part which we collect like leaves, what is their morphological parameters. So we talk about the leaf color. The color of leaves is green in color. So we can write here the color is green. Now we talk about the order. There is no order. No order. And we talk about their taste. Taste is some bitter like. And then we talk about their thickness of leaves. So they are thick in nature, and their margin is not symmetrical. Their margin is asymmetrical. So these we discuss the parameters of morphological character of the leaf part. Next we talk about the chemical constituents. Chemical constituents means how many types of chemicals which is present in the aloe vera. Those chemical constituents is responsible for their activity of responsible for their pharmacological activity. So the chemical constituent which is present in the leaf of aloe vera, that is known as anthraquinone, glycosides, aloin, barbiloin and alloycin. These are the main chemical constituents which are present actively in their aloe vera leaves. And aloe vera leaves comes in the which chemical category of group? They comes in the glycosidal category of drug. And glycosidal category of drug chemicals have both sugar and non-sugar part. Yeah, we can say that glycosides are made up of sugar plus non-sugar, both their parts. They have both the character of sugar and non-sugar part. So we can say that in the active chemical constituents anthraquinone glycosides, aloin, barbiloin or alloycin. Now next we talk about their uses. For their active chemical constituents, these all are active constituents. These active constituents are responsible for their pharmacological activity. So the first use is purgative. Purgative means they have a capacity to easily pass out their stool. And second one is constipation. Those who are suffering from constipation, so we can use aloe vera. Next, they have a capacity to reduce pain. They have capacity to reduce inflammation in our body. And last but not least, it is a wide use in the pharmaceutical cosmetic industries, like for preparation of ointments, lotions, gel, all cosmetic preparation. Aloe vera use multi formulations in a cosmetic preparation. So that is only for their active constituents of aloe vera. Now next we discuss about the test. So the use of test, we identify the purity quality of alloy. So we used in two type of tests. First one is bromine test and second one is borax test. In bromine test, we make a slurry of alloy gel, filtrated, and the filtrate gel is taken in a test tube or a beaker. We add a bromine solution on it and the solution turn into a pale yellow. So we can check the purity of their aloe vera. And next test is borax test. In borax test, similar preparation of a solution. We take aloe vera gel, mix in a water, make a slurry and filtrate it, and after filtrate solution, we add a borax solution, dissolve in it that solvent, and add a few drop of that dissolved borax solution in a test tube, and add a water, dissolve it, and we feel that a green fluorescence appears in that test tube. So these two tests we perform in an aloe vera test for checking out the purity quality of aloe vera. The benefits is that we can identify their adulteration parameter, whether it is drug is adulterated or not. So today we discuss about the aloe vera, their synonyms, their botanical names, their morphology, and their active chemical constituents of aloe vera. For that active chemical constituents, they produce a pharmacological activity, and last one is their test. Their test is, first one is bromine test and borax test. So these all parameters included in aloe vera. So aloe vera is a very important drug which is used for a multi-purpose formulation